What's up guys, good evening from Singapore. My name is Winner Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. Today I'm going to eat the dinner in the restaurant which is 65 years old in the Singapore. That is a huge. This restaurant is referred by my hostel receptionist who was collecting the coin in a beautiful way, and she told me that it's one of the best and affordable food in the Singapore. And there is also an Indian Punjabi restaurant on the left side of this restaurant. But I want to eat something special in the Singapore which is vegetarian and best of best. Let's see. It's almost 11 PM in the Singapore and they will close the shop after 1 hour, and let's see what they will provide me. And look at this, it's a rice wooden box. I think they are from China or Japan because most of the Japanese and Chinese make the rice in these kind of wooden box. They have vegetables, beans, sprout, garlic, as well as a vegetable curry, and they also have a fried tofu for the vegetarians. Each and every member is working hard to make the restaurant awesome. First they add the boiled rice onto the red plate and then garnish of vegetables and the curry. They are too fast. Let's try their rice with the vegetables. It is beautiful work of art. There are beans, ginger, vegetable curry with bok choy, and it is just of $3. Yes. Let's start with the vegetable curry and rice. And this curry look awesomely beautiful. Oh wow, because of that vegetable curry flavor embedded in the veins of that rice. Now let's try the fried tofu. It's hard from the outside and soft from the inside, and it's my first time that I'm gonna eat the fried tofu. And look at the beauty of these sprouts, it's look like a big basmati rice. It's acceptable that you can break this tofu because it's soft from the inside. And even you can see it's almost 11 PM and still there is a huge rush on this restaurant. Even in the morning it's almost take 15 minutes to reach to the counter table to order because they have a huge fan following and people trust them. These beans are too oily but as well as crispy. A fresh garlic always make you healthy. And you can taste really strong garlic in it. It's Singapore, everyone is enjoying, and I really enjoyed my food. And thanks for watching this awesomely beautiful food video. If you like this, press the thumb button and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.